Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have some exciting news for all Apple fans out there. It's official, Apple is actively working on the highly anticipated iPhone SE4. In this video, we'll dive into the confirmed details and potential features of the SE4, exploring the OLED negotiations, design leaks, and battery upgrades that are causing a stir in the tech world. Samsung, are you ready to face the competition? The buzz around the next-gen iPhone SE4 is more than just a rumor, it's a reality. Recent reports from Mac Rumors confirm that Apple has initiated the development of the budget-friendly iPhone SE4. Notably, negotiations are underway with prominent OLED suppliers for the device's display. The display game is heating up as major players like Samsung Display, BOE, and Tianma compete to provide OLED panels for the iPhone SE4. This marks a significant departure from previous SE models, which utilized LCD displays. Samsung, offering the lowest unit price at $30, is currently in the lead, with BOE and Tianma proposing $35 and $40, respectively. Apple, always striving for the best, is negotiating for a lower price, aiming for $20 per unit. The ongoing discussions indicate that the display work for the iPhone SE4 has officially commenced. Leaked information from a reliable source suggests that the iPhone SE4 might share design elements with the upcoming iPhone 16. Majin Buu, a trusted leaker, hints at a design similarity, mentioning the inclusion of the dynamic island feature and a single back camera. This aligns with previous predictions that the iPhone SE4 would adopt design elements from the iPhone 14 or iPhone 16. Renowned Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo adds fuel to the excitement, predicting that the iPhone SE4 will boast a 6.1-inch OLED panel. Furthermore, Kuo suggests that Apple might introduce its own 5G modem chip with the SE4, potentially replacing the current Snapdragon 5G modem chips used in regular iPhone models. These predictions align with Apple's history of integrating cutting-edge technology into its devices. Recent leaks have shed light on the iPhone SE4's battery capacity, and it's impressive. The device is expected to feature the same battery as the base model of the iPhone 14, promising a substantial increase in capacity. Internal design documents support this information, indicating a boost of over 1,250 mAh compared to the previous iPhone SE. This upgrade hints at an enhanced battery life, ensuring users enjoy a long-lasting experience. Exciting times lie ahead for Apple enthusiasts, with the iPhone SE4 shaping up to be a game-changer in the budget-friendly smartphone market. What are your thoughts on the SE4's design, display, and potential features? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the iPhone SE4 and other tech wonders. Stay tuned for our next video as we delve deeper into the world of innovation. Until then, tech on!